Hello, in this video I want to show you how to configure XIAOMI Redmi 13R for a senior person. And to do this, let's open our settings, and here I checked for a senior or simple mode, and there's no such thing on this device, which means that we'll need to change all of the settings manually. And first thing in the settings is to scroll down, go for display, here scroll down again and you'll be able to change your text size. You can make it small or large, however you like. I will go with XXL, which will make it as big as possible. Then let's scroll down again inside main settings, and here access additional settings. Go for accessibility, vision, and then there's the display size, which makes all of the icons bigger or smaller. I'm gonna go with large. Then there's magnification. You can activate it, that way you'll get the icon floating around your screen. When you click on it, you will enter magnification mode. You can click anywhere on the screen to zoom in and click on the icon again to zoom out. Then let's move on to remove animations. Make sure that it's enabled. It reduces motion sickness while using this device. And lastly, there's high contrast text, which makes all of the text much more readable. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.